Spectrum Mobile allows you to view your call history through the My Spectrum app, available on both iOS and Android devices, or through the myspectrum.com website. To access your call logs, log in using your Spectrum ID. Navigate to the Accounts section, then select Usage, and finally choose Calls to view your call history. In your call logs, you'll find a detailed list including the date and time, duration, phone number, and call type for each call. The logs are categorized by line for family plans and can be filtered by date or call type. New calls appear within minutes for near real-time updates. Note that you need an active Spectrum Mobile account and an internet connection to view your call log. As of September 2025, Spectrum Mobile offers limited direct download or export options for detailed call logs due to privacy and security reasons. You can view call logs for up to 90 days via the app or website. Direct CSV or PDF downloads are not natively supported. While you can print or screenshot the logs displayed, there isn't a bulk download feature. For call records extending beyond 90 days, you need to contact Spectrum Mobile Customer Service at 1-855-478-6789 to request an emailed report. Be aware that these requests may take 24 to 48 hours to process. Keep an eye on future updates, as trends suggest potential API access for authorized third parties and enhanced export formats in the coming years.